Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing my new Squier Mustang. I'm going to be showing you guys the specs and controls of this thing, and I'm going to give you guys a tone demo as well. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so starting off, this is a Squier Sonic HH Mustang. And what HH stands for is Humbucker Mustang. And this bridge humbucker sounds a lot like a Seymour Duncan JB. I learned from my good friend Nirvana Guitars that these are basically just a knockoff budget Seymour Duncan JB.
I've never tried anything like that, anything that's marketed as like a generic JB, so I didn't know what to expect. And I was pleasantly surprised, and I'm not just saying that. This pickup is really hot, it has a lot of output, and it can do the JB sound really well. It just has some more high-end.
So if you're looking for that in utero tour tone and you can't afford a real Kurt Cobain signature Mustang, I would highly recommend these, along with the Squier Bullet Mustang. Again, like I said, this Mustang has two pickups and a three-way selector switch. That's for the bridge pickup, that's for both, and that's for the neck. You can't get a huge, wide array of tones with this, but it can definitely get the job done for Nirvana tones. And also, this neck is absolutely amazing to play on. The back has a smooth satin finish. The frets, I don't know if you can tell, but they are very, very shiny. And overall, the neck is just really nice. Although it's a Squier neck, and most people diss on Squier necks because the frets are sharp and yada yada yada, this neck is very nice. It has nice low action, it's easy to move around on. It's just overall a very nice neck. Also, about the body itself, it does not have the body contouring like Kurt Cobain's Mustangs. However, on the Squier Bullet Mustang, it does. So if you're building a budget Kurt Cobain Mustang and you want to have accurate looks and sound, I would go with the Bullet Mustang. But for me, I just wanted the tone. So I went with the one without the body contours. Now, sadly, with the Bullet Mustangs, they do not have a blue color to pick, but they do have a surf green color that you can pick, which I would say is similar to Skystang's colors, but I chose California Blue because I would rather mine be a darker blue than a light green, but then again, everybody has their own preferences. So if you're willing to sacrifice the body contours, I would say you should go for California Blue, but if you're looking for the body contours and the sound, I would say go for the surf green. And I'm going to be modding this to be an inspired by Skystang 2 build. I'm going to be leaving this bridge and the pickup selector in it, but I'm going to be putting a single coil in the neck, and I'll be getting a new pick guard. So stay tuned for the videos after I mod this. But anyway, enough of the specs, let's get into the sound demo. These are my Boss DS2 small clone and amp settings for my general overall in utero tour tone. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and turn on all notifications. You can also follow my Instagram. It'll be in the description below. I really hope you like this Mustang, and I can't wait to make more videos with it. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!